How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. What about you?
I am also doing well.
Okay.
So,
So,
tell you,
yeah, so did you have food? Breakfast?
I have completed my breakfast and lunch.
Okay. So, are you
And
at home or somewhere else?
I am at home.
At home. Okay. So, what do you do?
Nothing.
Nothing, just you are at home and eating and pooping.
Completed, but now I am free. I don't work.
Okay. So, just speak loudly so that I can hear you. I can't hear you properly. Okay. Actually, your voice is very low.
Sorry for that. Now, am I audible?
Yeah. You are audible now. Yeah. Go ahead.
So, please tell me about your village.
Yeah.
Please tell me about your village.
Yeah. My village. Actually, it is a very small village. Yeah,
Okay.
it has around, I don't know exactly, but I think 4,000 voters.
4,000 home.
Voters.
4,000 voters.
Yeah, and I don't know much about my village.
Okay. 4,000 voters. So there are big. It is
So,
big.
are you? Where are you from? Yeah, you told me about, but I have forgot now. Can you tell me again?
I am from village also. I
Where?
live in Bhopal.
From
I,
which city? Bhopal. Okay.
and my village name is Sajapur.
Sajapur. Okay. Nice. Okay. So,
And there are four to there are 4,000 to
okay.
5,000
Can you do
pupils.
me one thing? Can you do one thing? Let's translate Hindu to English. Let's choose.
How
Okay.
to translate? How to do translate? I don't know.
You don't know. What's your mother tongue?
That, Hindi.
Hindi. Okay. So then, on which topic do you want to, talk to
Okay.
discuss?
In we can talk topic.
Yeah, you choose.
I have a topic. So which class is good? Online, offline?
Actually, I think both are good, but if you if I
You
can define it, so
say,
I think online is okay. Okay,
listen,
actually you are from Bhopal and I can't reach you,
listen,
so
listen.
yeah,
Hello.
I'm from UP, so I think online is better for us.
Okay, okay. You should say only online. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Tell
Yeah, so what did you have food, breakfast?
what?
No, okay, so do you have any topic so that we can talk?
I have a topic online class and offline class. So you should say about online class.
Yeah, I told you. Okay. Yeah.
Tell.
Okay. So now, do you have any another topic?
This topic is very good.
Okay.
So which job do you like private job, government job?
Actually, I like to do business.
Okay, okay. Tell me about business.
Business. I can say that you know I'm from village.
Okay,
So yeah.
go ahead.
So here are so many businesses, but the most I would like to I would like I like to do is that farming, vegetables farming.
Okay.
Yeah. So first, what did you do from from morning? Just tell me.
What?
What did you do? From morning till now. Just tell me.
I got up early in the morning. After that, I brushed my teeth. I took bath, then tea. After that, I read newspaper. After that, I watched some video.
Okay.
After I operated my WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram.
Okay.
After
So
yes,
yeah. So why are you learning English? Do you want to do
because
any? Yeah.
because I am doing job, I don't have good designation, the promotion to my office, and I like this language. That's why I am learning this language.
Okay. So how many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings.
Okay. What they do? Do they
I
do?
have siblings.
So
I have
what do they
brother.
do?
What?
What do they do?
Eh, they are doing job. They are doing job.
Okay. So
He is doing.
which type of job?
He has a work. He has a company work.
Okay.
I don't know about him.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
Oh, I don't know about him which work he has,
Okay.
but
So
he is working in private company. I
okay,
think
private.
he is okay. I know something.
Okay.
Is finance. Do you know
Okay.
micro?
Your voice is breaking, bro. I can't hear you properly.
He is working microfinance.
Microfinance.
Do you
So
know what microfinance?
yeah, I have heard about it, but I don't know completely what is this. Yeah, but I have heard about it. I think it is related to farmer.
It is not related to farmer. Company giving Company is giving loan.
Okay, okay.
If
Finance. Finance.
the microfinance.
Okay, small. That means छोटे छोटे. आता
Yes, yes, like 20,000, 40,000.
now I can understand.
If people want, they can take loan.
Okay.
And
So now let's
start
talk about something, some grammar. Do you want to discuss about grammar, English grammar? Okay. So I give you two words, modal verbs. So you need to use them. Okay. Can and could.
what?
Can and could. Just use them. Okay. You
No,
know.
no, no,
Oh,
no,
just
no. I don't want to talk this topic because I don't know about grammar
okay.
and
So can you make any small stories?
I could not. Uh,
Do you watch
I
movies? Do you watch movies?
mm, yes, yes. Sometime I watched a movie.
Okay, just what do you watch? You know, which story do you watch? Just tell me. Just think. Okay, don't worry. Don't afraid of mistakes. Just speak.
I watch English movie. Okay, and if we watch movie, so there is actor and there is actress.
Okay.
Okay, so actor actor is doing in the movie like he is doing some business. He is doing some work and
Okay.
he
Yeah, very
has a,
good, very good. Go on.
yes,
Yeah, keep going, keep going. Just make storage. Okay.
a lots of friends. Okay,
Yeah.
and he
So
love
yeah.
he is also actress.
Okay. So, but yeah, that's okay. Now, just drop this topic. Now, how many friends do you have?
I have a lots of friends.
How many? Can you count?
I don't know around 1,000, 2,000, but they are working. Okay,
Do you
and
have
they
any
are
close?
studying.
Do you have any close friend with whom you share your heart out? You know your feelings.
I don't have any close friend. I
Okay,
don't have.
so just make me friend, your close friend. Okay.
So do you have close friend?
Yeah, I have one of one friends. Yeah,
So
I share my.
about tell me about your friend.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, I
Tell
got a.
me about your friend.
Yeah. So,
I
are
am
you married or not?
listen. I
Yeah,
am asking. So do you have close friend? So tell
I have
me
close.
about friend.
Yeah, actually, I live in a village. So he's also living in this village. Yeah, and his house around 1 meter, 100 meter far from my house. Yeah, we meet every day in the evening, and he passed out 12th, and he's preparing for graduation. He wants to do graduation, and he has three brothers, one sister, and his father is a farmer, his mother is a housewife, and he also do a business, milk, distributing home to
I know.
home. Yeah.
I know. He is selling milk.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, are you married or not?
I am single.
You are single. So
Yes,
when do
yes.
you get married? So when will you get married?
I will be married after 6 months or 1 year. So so do you come my marriage?
Yeah, I will come. If you invite me, I will definitely come. Okay. Actually, I love to travel,
I will invite
and
you.
you don't have any close friend. So I am becoming your great. I am becoming your close friend. So if you invite me, so I definitely come. Okay.
So of course I will invite you, but now I have some problem like I don't have a job. Okay, and now I am not earning good money. That's why I am not doing marrying, and I don't think about marriage.
Okay, don't worry. Yeah, first settle, and settle yourself. Your voice is not coming. Okay.
Please tell
Hello,
me.
your voice is not coming properly. Okay,
My voice is not coming. Sorry for that. I
yeah,
think
okay. So
it's a
at least
network
speak
problem.
loudly. Okay, so that we can hear properly each other, and let's discussion going on. Okay, yeah. Actually, I'm married. Actually, I got married in last year in 2020 or 23 in May. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, and now I am at home, and I also got selected as a true caller in Varanasi. Yeah, and today I have a interview, so I will go there, and let's see what will happen. Varanasi,
Okay.
do you know about Varanasi?
I know Varanasi.
Yeah, yeah, it is a very famous
And
city.
yes,
Yeah,
yes, Varanasi is good city in UP.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So, do you have any another topic? Any interesting topic? Okay.
I told you, I told you, but you are, you are not listening me proper.
No, no, I
So
didn't
what
hear
is
you.
our topic? Online
I didn't
class,
hear you.
online class, private job, government job. So these are very interesting topic.
Yeah, these are very interesting topic, but I think that it is little bit, you know, you know, difficult topic.
So which topic do you want to discuss?
Actually, I'd like to suggest you, if you want to, if you are a beginner and we are a beginner, so it is our second language. So let's make any storage. Okay, when we make a storage, so what will happen? We will keep going conversation. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Please tell me again. I did not understand.
Actually, storage, storage. Let's pick up any other storage. Just make up storage. Okay,
Okay,
hello.
okay. So
Yeah,
you wanted to talk story.
yeah, storage.
Okay, okay. Please tell me story. Which story do you know?
Storage. I know a lot of storage, but when we talk in English, what will happen? We can't share. We get blank.
You can share. If you know any story, you can share.
Yeah, I can share. Actually, one day my mother was sick, and
Hello, brother. Uh,
yeah.
my side, my side, noise is coming. Okay, so we will talk later.
Okay, okay, bye. Have a nice day.